Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Coach Ankita. In this channel, we are going to pitch why not just in its traditional form, but are also going to see how we can explore various elements of pitch why and fuse it into contemporary style or the way any artist pleases to do. And for that, we are exploring all the elements of pitch why one by one. Our today's element of pitch why is let's study how to draw godly eyes. We will start with a small circle. From the center of the circle, I am going to draw a straight line pointing upwards towards the end. Join the end point with two straight lines, each starting from the top and bottom of the circle. This is basic line drawing of side profile eyes. Now we will replace the straight lines with curvier lines to give it more realistic look. Let's see how. Draw a circle, then a center line which is not straight but curved line. Join it with another curved line from the top of the circle and another curved line from the bottom of the circle. Eyes using curved lines are more realistic in comparison to the eyes using straight lines. For details, we will extend the curves of the line towards the eyeballs, and to show the bulge on the upper portion of our eyes, we will extend the eyeball lines towards up and draw again a curved line joining the end point of our eyes. So finally, here is the look of the eyes using basic curved lines and circle. Finally, I am going to share the secret how to turn an eye to the eyes of a god, which holds the warmth and compassion in it. We are going to shift the eyeballs little upward, leaving a gap towards the bottom area of our eyes. Just by doing this little change, there is a divine touch in the eyes you have drawn. Now let's draw the front looking eyes. We will start with one curve for our eyes. Measure it using the pencil or our finger. And similarly draw the second curve of approximate same size. Draw the circle in the center of the eyes. Just as we have practiced before in the side profile eyes, we will be using curved lines to draw the upper eye line and the lower eye line. And similarly, we will also draw the bulge on the upper portion of our eyes. Similarly, we will make the second eyes. Once done, now we have got the basic lines or the basic fundamentals to draw our realistic godly eyes. I will erase all the helping lines that we have made, and this is what we have got as our final lines of the eyes. Now here we are going to make the eyeball as instructed before. I'm going to leave a gap and move my eyeballs downward. To show final look of the godly eyes, I'm just going to fill it with basic darkening to give it value. By using straight lines in one direction, adding darkness in the corners and edges. So here is the final look of our godly eyes using just basic circle and curved lines. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Go and try it out right now and share me your experience and story. And be part of our beautiful Pitch Why community via WhatsApp. The details have been shared in the caption. Anybody and anyone are open to join me in this journey. For that, I have formed a vibrant community of Pichwai art lovers. The details for the community are already given in the caption, and it is completely free for anyone to join and learn the Pichwai art form.